Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to get or hire your first VA or virtual assistant. In this video, though, I just want to just go through and explain why you should get a VA. Whether you already have an online business or you're just starting or you don't even know what business uh, you want to have yet online. Okay, well, the main reason you should have a VA is that you can focus on growing your online business if you have someone that is employed under you that is doing most of the tasks in your business. Okay, another reason you should consider getting a VA is it'll get you in the habit of outsourcing your work, and also it's very affordable nowadays because um, there's there are plenty of talented VAs overseas. Okay, and you could find someone for as little as $1 per hour. Although I would say the average rate is around $2 or $3 per hour. Okay, so if you're in a tight budget, you could, if you're lucky, you could find someone for $1 per hour for just a few hours a week if that's all you can afford. Okay, now if you do not have an online business yet, well, you could get a VA to do research for you, find out which business models would be right for you, and when you finally find the right business model for you, you could get your VA to do a lot of the tasks that are needed to get your business off the ground. So, for example, if you buy a course on how to make money with, say, Teespring, or how to make money with CPA offers, you could just pass that course on to your VA and just instruct your VA to follow the instructions on that course. Okay, so with that said, in the next video, I'm going to show you a site that I highly recommend where you could find talented virtual assistants for good rates. Okay,